Hey guys, this is a NinjaBatt PRO battery for my laptop. This is an advanced version of the NinjaBatt batteries, which are already good quality. Go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like. You have to make sure that it fits your model. So it's safely packed in here. This is exactly what my battery looks like. Here's our battery. My laptop flipped over. Now, unlock. This one pushes over. Like that. Getting rid of this one. And this is the NinjaBatt. Fits perfectly. After replacing the battery and charging it up, the laptop works very well, runs very well, the battery holds the charge very well. So it's a great alternative to OEM product. A great battery from NinjaBatt.